Thanks to all of our sponsors for making our Computex 2024 coverage possible.
So we're here again at ID Cooling at Computex 2024, and we're looking at the latest cooler that is going to be coming to market sometime later this year. We're being told maybe around October time. This is the DL360 Max. Now, the name, as it should suggest, Max, means it is pretty big. If you actually take a look at this CPU block, it's absolutely just massive. But I kind of like that. I like the fact that it looks big. It looks like it means business. And that is very, very true in the specs. So you're going to get this available in 240mm or 360. This is the 360 here. It comes with the new magnetic fans, which we will take a look at in a minute. So you can actually see on the fans, they do connect magnetically. And then you've just got the connector at the top, which goes on nice and easy. Now, at the moment, this is a prototype. So the block itself is actually 3D printed. And you can actually remove it as well. So I'm guessing there's going to be like different tops that you could get, sort of customization, all that kind of, modularity. TDP wise, 380 watts, so no problem, cooling, let's say the latest processors and potentially obviously moving on to the new Intel stuff that I think we can say it's Arrow Lake S now. I'm not even sure, but who knows? Intel, yeah, we might get in trouble, but we'll go with it. No word on pricing yet, just because it is still at the early stages, like I say, prototype, which you can see with the 3D printed kind of block design. But yeah, no problem, Intel AMD. Like I say, they have got a smaller version if you don't want the 360. But let's take a look at the fans, because that's actually what's over here in white. Now, these are the new magnetic fans. These are the MF1230s, so magnetic daisy chain fans. You can literally just grab it, put it on, and it connects super, super quick. So removing it again, you can see how quickly it stops, and then how quickly it lights up, how quickly it actually starts ramping up. So these are available 120. I don't actually think they've got a 140 version at the moment. It's got the mirror design on the side, as well as plenty of RGB. So you've actually got the RGB on this side, well, every side of the fan. If I actually remove this one again, you can see that we've got RGB on here. You've got the mirror effect with the RGB on there. They've actually still got the protective stuff on these, but full RGB going all the way around, and then the ring itself, if I put it back in, and like I say, available in black and white. So depending on sort of what you want to go for, you could buy these separately, or obviously they do come with the cooler, which I will go and show you the cooler in action, because the screen on it is pretty damn big and it's really worth having a look at. So we'll go over there and take a look at the screen on the 360 Max AIO cooler. So this is the DL360 Max in action, and you can see we've got CPU temperature on there, GPU temperature, how much memory is actually being used, and the CPU fan RPM as well. So you can see the quality of it. It's actually really, really nice. It's really vibrant. Like I say, this is still in the early kind of stages, but it just gives you an idea as to how this could actually look inside your system. And I think you can agree that, yeah, it is very, very large. You can see the RGB actually going around the side of the block as well. So, of course, a little bit more RGB if that's your thing. And then we get a full view of these amazing looking fans, which with the mirror effect just looks really, really nice. They look really, really premium, which is hard for RGB normally, because RGB, we all know, can sometimes make a system not look, as premium, maybe a little bit tacky. But with the mirror effect, I actually think it really, really works. So there we have it. This is ID Cooling at Computex 2024. We've actually got some other videos from them as well. So be sure to check that out, as well as all of the other content and coverage that we're going to have from the show. And I'll see you in the next one. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.